Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. Got the Galaxy DX99 V2. Just came out. Offering dual MOSFETs. All the great features of the old 99 V2 minus robot. They did allow the talkback feature to be on or off. Right there. Dual echo controls there. A through H on the bands. Pretty blue display. These are averaging 40 to 50 watts PEP. Got a nice modulation light. Hello, hello. 1, 2. We'll go up here. We're working on the dummy load today on the Dosi, since we're not running any external amplifiers. Right at 40 watts. And there you have it. All you who've been wanting to see this video, I want to thank everybody who has already purchased these from us. We got 9 in on Monday, and we are down to the last one. If you need one, feel free to contact me. Truck CB Sales on Facebook or truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.